for strategies for affordable and satisfying meals. In today's economy, the cost of food is a pressing concern for many. With rising prices and the added financial strain of the government shutdown, it's no wonder people are looking for ways to save on their grocery bills. Whether it's due to lost wages or the fear of reduced Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program (SNAP) benefits, finding affordable and satisfying meals is a top priority for many families. Here are 4 practical strategies to help you stretch your food budget without compromising on taste and nutrition. Embrace the power of frozen. Frozen vegetables and fruits are often more affordable and have a longer shelf life compared to fresh produce. They can be just as nutritious, and some even argue that they retain more vitamins and minerals due to their rapid freezing process. Stock up on frozen veggies like broccoli, carrots, and peas, and fruits like berries and mangoes. These can be used in a variety of dishes, from stir-fries to smoothies. Master the art of batch cooking. Batch cooking is a game-changer for budget-conscious foodies. Dedicate a few hours each week to prepare large batches of staple foods like rice, quinoa, or pasta. These can be paired with a variety of frozen veggies and proteins to create multiple meals. For example, a batch of cooked rice can be transformed into a delicious fried rice, a hearty pasta dish, or a flavorful rice bowl. Explore the world of canned goods. Canned goods are often more affordable and have a longer shelf life compared to fresh produce. They can be just as nutritious and versatile. Canned beans, tomatoes, and tuna are excellent sources of protein and can be used in soups, salads, and sandwiches. Canned fish, like salmon or sardines, can also provide a boost of omega-3 fatty acids and are great for quick and healthy meals. Don't overlook the local farmers market. While fresh produce can be more expensive, local farmers markets often offer better prices compared to supermarkets. Plus, you can find seasonal fruits and vegetables that are typically more affordable and packed with flavor. Look for deals and discounts, and consider buying in bulk. You can also chat with the farmers to learn about their produce and get tips on how to use them. By implementing these strategies, you can enjoy a variety of satisfying meals without breaking the bank. Remember, it's all about making informed choices and finding creative ways to stretch your food budget. So, get cooking, and happy saving!